internet. So this video is going to be an exciting video because I just got Cravings by Chrissy Teigen yesterday, and I cannot wait to try one recipe today. So it's gonna be soup because I am a soup person, and I'm just gonna show you what I will be making today. So basically this is the recipe. Doesn't it look so delicious? Roasted tomato soup serves 4, it says. So basically I have my tomatoes ready. I have my I don't have extra virgin olive oil. I only have extra light. I only have normal salt and no freshly ground black pepper, just normal black pepper. And here I have some herbs. I have rosemary. I don't have thyme, but I have lemon thyme, oregano. All is right here. And then yeah, I just have everything ready. Now I have my pan line to roast the tomatoes. So like the first thing it says is to preheat the oven at 450 Fahrenheit. So here I have preheated the oven, and yeah.
That's good.
So here I'm just cooking the onions and garlic. Now I'm gonna add the roasted tomatoes. And just break them up. So now I'm gonna put the herbs inside, and then I'm gonna put in 2 cups of stock. So I don't have chicken, so I just bought some beef.
Line, because that's their attitude.
Get your own attitude.
He has an alibi, geniuses. He was at Twerk. It's a nightclub in Cape May, New Jersey, all night.
Nice try. You think I'm gonna waste 6 hours driving to Jersey Shore and back on something?
This is Chrissy Teigen's roasted tomato soup. And this is my roasted tomato soup. It looks more orange, by the way.